Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open a Twitter account. First step, we'll open up Play Store and then we'll search for Twitter. I've already downloaded it. If you have not downloaded it, click on install and you'll get it. I'm opening it now. And then you should click on create an account. It'll ask you for a name. I'm typing my name. It'll ask you for your phone number or an email address. You can use either of these two. I'm using an email. It'll ask you for your date of birth. You can choose it now. And then click on next. And then if you can choose if you want to customize your experience or not. I'm just not giving it, and we'll click on next. It's optional. If you want, you can use it. And then we'll click on sign up. And whatever we have given in the previous page, your phone number or your mail ID, to that they'll send you a verification code. I've given my mail ID, so the OTP has been sent through the mail. I'll type it here. And then we'll click on next. And it'll ask for a password. And then we'll click on next. And you have to choose a profile picture. If you want, you can take it now, or else you can give skip for now. And then it will ask for you to enter your bio. You can type information about you. So if you need, I'm just skipping it for now. And then it will ask you if you want to sync contacts or not. If you sync contacts, people in your contacts, if they are on Twitter, it will show you. I'm just giving not now. And then it will ask you what language do you speak. Choose the languages you speak and then click on next. And then it will ask you what are you interested in. You can just give it skip for now, or fill in the details if you're interested. I'm giving skip for now. And it will give you suggestions for you to follow. If you want, you can follow any of it. I'm just giving next. And then yeah, that's it. You have opened a Twitter account and it's ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up.